You know, I was probably the biggest racist you can ever find. I hated white people with a passion, but I had to decaffeinate myself. Because I thought white people just see me as a kafir. When they speak, they see a kafir. I thought that. And I had to decaffeinate myself from that thinking.
Me to be using the K word and to be racist. Are you saying that I hate my mother? Are you saying I hate... I'm even getting emotional. Are you saying I hate Marang? Because I'm a godfather to Marang. Are you saying that I hate my godchild? Are you saying I hate Kenny Kunene? Are you saying that I'm black, I'm colored, I'm mixed?
Yeah. Hi, good morning, good afternoon, and also good evening, guys, depending on whichever time of the day that y'all are going to come across this video. I'd like to welcome you onto my channel. And another thing, I cannot even post some of the tweets. If you did not know, Gayton McKenzie is currently trending, and this whole thing started with the Open Chats podcast when he just wanted to teach them a lesson about what they said about the colored community. And then now Twitter has decided to also do their own digging on his account. I don't know if I should say past, because this is even still there. You know, all the lama racist tweets that he made. Now mine. Kenny Kunene naye also chimed in, even ilentuzana Patriotic Alliance even retweeted his post. This is the post. Kenny, it was like him stepping in was like adding fuel to the fire instead of a man's, because na bangenile bacheck now ngize ngachecka kwi page like now. I can't post the screenshot because the thing is inhlamba zodwa nje ezilab. Zodwa yo kan bafethu. Okay, fine, everyone deserves a second chance and all of that, but one of my questions is, kanina masinishintsha and decide ukuthi, because if I'm not mistaken, allegedly they used to be bad people, or I'm a criminals, allegedly I'm a gangster. Now base bashintsha, I like to say allegedly, kanina manishintsha and shed off your old skin and kuvele esisha. Shoot akekho nje no-one wenu uke wadecide ukuthi azini akasikhanda ama-page amasha, akasidelete yonke lento esikasayo, akekho nje le information namanje sasekhona. Yo imese itweet mina evele nje yangikhipha tu futhi ngizothi allegedly ka Gayton wathi wena ekhuluma ngendaba ukuthi engathengela indodakazi yakhe ama-dildo nama-toys ocansi. Angekwazi iposta la nayo ngoba YouTube zongikhatha off. Allegedly I did go on his page. I did not find it, So yo, I don't want to say into izongifaka in trouble, but yo, I hope the tweet was fake. I hope it was fake. Yeah, manje ish ziyakhala kakhulu because people are demanding that he gets removed from esihlalweni sakhe. Yo. And another a person said on Twitter, spoke or said something along the lines of the difference between you and these guys from open chats is that they are young, available. They can use that excuse, but they are young and made a foolish mistake. But now, with Minister, the problem is that he was not young. He was a full-grown man who knew exactly in the way. You understand? Yeah. Magic's a wrong. Yo. Tell me what you think about this whole thing down below. Do you also believe that he should be removed, or what are you saying? Mina nje lama tweets akhe nje hey angithuse kakhulu bafitha mfuqama hey angithuse kakhulu hey nani kunye ngabe ushintshe ngempela. But now there's also this saying a leopard never changes its spots, but in the same breath futhi bese kuthiwa wonke umuntu deserve a second chance. Uthini wena?